Alright guys, she's all cleaned up. Fresh little center lines. They're coming off, but anyway. Zoom. Body lines are good. She's in good shape, man. She's ready. Ready for a swap. Full suspension. Okay, 370Z lug conversion for the front and rear.
Let's go get this track attack kit installed. All right, guys, SC Motorsports. Here's that before. I'm gonna get a little before and after for you guys, man. There's the before for you guys. Alvin's gonna put in that work today, boy. And we're gonna do the after, man. We're gonna get this thing installed in here. Full track attack kit, Apex Engineering. Let's get it, let's get it.
Old school Datsun trash. We got all the new stuff going in, so. Man.
You guys ready for a finished product? We're over here at my shop. She's here. Here it is, guys. Apex Engineered track attack kit. Angle kit in the front, everything. I didn't want to go through the trouble of taking off the front wheel and all that. And we still have a lot of work to do, but I did want to give you guys at least the finished look of the track attack kit installed. So it's full cantilever setup, don't forget. So you see this bar going all the way through there, and then conversion 370Z. So 370Z lug conversion to 5 lug from a 4 lug. There's that cantilever setup. Beautiful stuff from Apex Engineering and Viking Performance with the suspension for this thing. I know, I need better lighting. Fully gutted, guys. We have a lot of work to do here, but she's coming together, and as you can see, her body's already mocked up. Get this Pandem kit installed, which is next step. VFE's Track Attack Datsun Pandem. Stay tuned, guys, stay tuned. Follow this build. I'm gonna continue dropping the progress, and it is gonna start coming together now that we're through this step. Full wide body Pandem kit. Fully built all motor LS. She's gonna come together. You know how we do it. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're liking the videos, man, hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell. Goes a long way. Out here cranking out these videos for you guys, bringing it back. Had to take a little hiatus, guys, clear my mind, but back in the game. See you guys soon. GTO, follow that build too. We got a couple things in the works here. Don't sleep on us. Visionary FE. Your boy, Frank Visionary.